Everyone wants that modern layered haircut you see all over Pinterest, Instagram, and Reels. But the real problem is this. Even after showing your barber those reference photos, your hair still doesn't turn out the same. And the reason is simple. Without proper layering, men's hair has no direction, no movement, and no natural flow. Most people don't realize this, but many barbers don't actually know how to create clean layers for medium to long hair. Just look at these examples. In the first one, the hair isn't layered properly, so it looks flat, stiff, and lifeless. It just sits there with no shape. But in the second one, see how the hair flows naturally, has volume, texture, and movement. That's the power of clean layering. It can completely change your face structure, your confidence, and your overall look. So today, I'm going to show you a simple 3-step process to get the perfect layered haircut for men every single time. 1. The awkward phase. The first step to getting a proper layered haircut is the awkward growing phase. You need to grow your hair for at least 2 to 3 months straight. No cutting, no trimming, no fixing the sides. And yes, this phase feels uncomfortable. Your hair won't sit the way you want. One day it looks decent, the next day it looks messy or flat. Sometimes it falls on your forehead. Sometimes it sticks out randomly. Styling becomes difficult. Even sleeping can feel annoying because your hair keeps falling on your face. But here's the truth. Every guy with good medium or long layered hair has gone through this phase. There is no shortcut. If you want flowy, textured, attractive hair, you must survive these messy months. And while your hair is growing, care matters. Shampoo routine, conditioner, oiling, brushing, and controlling frizz, all of this becomes important. 2. Finding the right barber. Growing your hair is easy. Finding the right barber is the real challenge. Most local barbers only know basic cuts, short back and sides, simple trims or fades, but layered hairstyles need structure, balance, and movement. Many barbers don't understand how to cut medium or long men's hair properly. So here are the barbers you should avoid. Barbers who rush your haircut. Barbers who only do fades and trims. Barbers who don't listen to how you want your hair to fall naturally. You need someone who works with scissors, not just clippers. Someone who understands texture, layering, and face shape. And realistically, you have only 2 options. Option 1, go to a professional salon. Experienced stylists understand long and medium hair. They know how to create proper layers and flow. If you can afford it, this is the safest option. Option 2, guide your barber clearly. If you're going to a normal barber, you must explain exactly what you want, how much length you want to keep, where you want movement, and how natural you want the layers. And that's exactly what I'll explain in the next step. 3. Guide your barber. Here's exactly what to say so you get a clean, modern layered haircut. Step 1. Proper sectioning. Ask them to divide your hair into sections, top, sides, and back. Any barber who understands layering will do this first. Step 2. Balance the top and sides. For a flowy men's hairstyle, the top should have layers, but the sides should not be cut too short. Tell them, keep the top layered for movement, but don't make the sides too short. I want the hair to flow naturally. This avoids that boxy or mushroom shape. Step 3. Texture the back. Ask them to add light texture at the back using scissors. Texture removes heaviness and gives natural movement. Without it, hair looks flat and boring. Say, please add soft texture at the back so the hair doesn't look heavy. This is how modern men's layered hairstyles are actually created. If you want more men's grooming and hairstyle videos like this, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon.